to the 28 to 2019 and January 1st. Right here. We're gonna look at teams. So far we're 2-0. Our stats are looking like Evan Fournier is leading us with 17 points. Fred VanVleet has 15. Jonathan Simmons averages 13.5 by Aaron Gordon. T. Ross says, okay. I can't have. I want him to average like he should average around 10 points a game. He has the qualities. Per 36, he'd be averaging. Oh, he'd be good. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Since I'm trying to, like, I actually want who I want my top scorer to be. Of course, Aaron Gordon. I want him to become a better player, but he's gonna score more. So let's go to December 1st. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. Okay, how are we doing these? In drops 24. It's really nice. See, Jonathan, he's still struggling. Aaron Gordon's getting there. Aaron Gordon, that's Aaron Gordon I know. This year, general. Rough game by Aiden. Rookie. Okay, wait. Let's see. This game against Knicks. Can we go 5-0? 5-0 as we have a lot of good scorers on this team. See how we're gonna do. 6-0. How is this possible? See, Gordon's numbers are coming alive. They are. I knew this was gonna happen. Great job by Fred VanVleet. He's having a good year. DeAndre Ayton's he's playing nice. Okay, against Pistons, can we go 7-0? 7-0 with the 23 point. Okay, Aaron Gordon's finally putting up. Yeah, I want to see how Fournier is doing. He has to take less shots. His assists have gone up. His rebounds have gone down. His shooting's struggling. He's struggling this year, I guess. Can we go 8-0? Oh, we lost our first. Okay. Do until then. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna leave rotation as is. The Magic, so you give us J.R. Smith. I do not want him. Yeah, leave rotation as is. Good win. So the Knicks want. So I'm doing like trade approval. Knicks want Rashad Vaughn, Courtney Lee going to the Mavericks, in a second round pick. Hey, makes sense. Close loss. Okay, good win. That was a rough loss. Got a good win, and we lose to Washington. So now it's being a little bit more realistic here. Hand fracture. I'm gonna have to adjust this rotation. It's gonna be a bigger role for Fournier. I think he deserves 30. No, he deserves 25. Oh, I wouldn't mind giving him about 15. Okay. Okay. And a good win against them. So we're 13-3, 13-5. We're heading to December with the first seed. This is insane. I don't know how this is happening. I don't know what's happened. Cleveland is good. Davis has. Who did they draft? Oh, poor them. Okay, but I just want to check our what's making us do so good. We're a horrible offensive team. We're the best defensive team in the NBA. Wow, that's very good. We're the best defensive team in the NBA. We're a decent 3-point shooting team. I want to see if we're good at rebounding team. And we're a very bad rebounding team. We're a good defensive team that can't rebound. Makes sense. No, it doesn't. I want to set some contracts. I'm not going to re-sign him. I'm looking to trade him because he's not having that good. Oh, I'm not. And August, we're signing him. Okay, but now let's check stats. So we got. Oh, I guess he dropped 20. That's what I like. Good job. Arnold Schmuger dropped 20, but that's good. Okay, so we had Aaron Gordon putting around 19 points a game. Okay, Fred VanVleet's having a good year. Off the bat, I might have to start him. He's a better defender than Fournier. Ooh, he's not like he's putting up 8 points. He's playing the defense, that's for sure. He's not putting them. I expect him to get more points. He's dynamic offensive player. I'm gonna put him as a second scoring option, so he just gets. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Plus, he's been injured, so. Okay. Let's send him to January 1st. So lost to Detroit. Okay, so now a lot of teams decline. First, we're still first. Okay. I'll let this go. I just want to do that so I could just see the trades around the league. Dwight Powell. So we're gonna give Dwight Powell in a second for Courtney Lee. I would not like that trade. Bad loss there. So far, we're balling out this season. So they want Spencer. I'm gonna think about this. This is something I'm gonna think about. I'm gonna go after a point guard. I am. This team, like, we could take. Okay. Our team can go to the next level with a point guard. Okay, I'm gonna adjust. Let's see how he did through his games. He averaged 7 points a game. That's why I think he has some potential. He'd be a good trade target. Let me just adjust this. That's okay, I like it like this. Let's see how we pan out. Okay, so we're losing. So the Thunder get Randall and JaVale McGee, while the Lakers want their center for the future. I mean, their center, sure. Giving us Rudy Gay and Danny Green for Evan Fournier and I don't know, Nudie. I don't want that. So the Nuggets receive. Okay, I'll take that. Yeah. Okay, so we're the second team. We're very close from. This is very close race from the playoffs, but currently, let's check our game's player stats. So we have, okay, his numbers have gone up. I'm proud. That's what I like. He's gonna improve as a player too. And Fournier, oh, he's out 4 to 6 months. Ooh. I'm still gonna trade him. That ruins the plans. See, no one wants him now. Out for the season. So 4 months we're in January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, he's out for the season. Yep. So I guess we're gonna have to trade him in the next episode. Now it gives room for him to shine. Giving him 15 minutes. I am. I think he deserves the 15 minutes. Let me give him 30. Okay. I wanted to see how Jonathan Isaac was doing, and 7 points. He's going up. He just can't put the ball in the basket. So he averages more turnovers. He's become a better shooter from the field, but become worse from 3. But he's become a better rebounder, a better passer, better at steals, improved his points. Yeah, I think it'll still work. Okay, honestly, let's go to February 1st. Okay. Sure. Oh my god, we're not gonna be as good because we don't have our 6-man. No, our 6-man's now our starting shooting guard, so this is tough. It's a rough injury. Hope he gets better, Evan Fournier. So they're giving us Justin Holiday and Sean Kilpatrick for Jonathan Simmons in a second. I did not like that trade. So the Blazers get, okay, I guess that'll work. Sure. And we're gonna lose this one too. Decline. Yes. Yeah. 28 and 20 at this season. I don't think we're gonna do very well. I'm looking for the point guard of our future. A player I might go after is D'Angelo Russell. He's on a 1-year deal, so the Nets don't want to pay him. He's a player I could possibly go for. I can give a few assets for. Drew Holiday. No. Schroeder, maybe. A player I could also go for is Bledsoe. No matter how the Bucks are doing. Bledsoe's on a contract. So there's a lot of point guards in a contract year. I'm gonna switch his position to shooting guard. 'Cause I don't. I'm gonna look for a trade. Can I do this? I'll give you guys Sean Payne. You guys can give us DeMar Carroll on his last year. Think about this. we'll throw in there. You may not. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to trade for one next year. I want to check how much cap we're gonna have. 37 million. But I'm gonna. He has a player option. Oh, this is rough. I gotta put Dwight Powell. I don't know, but thank you all for watching. Make sure y'all leave a like and subscribe for more videos of this series, and peace.